Hello buddies, as a beginner baker, I know you must be wondering how you can get this type of designs done on your cake. These are simply done using silicone molds, okay? Now to use this silicone mold, like I want to show you guys how I use this particular one. The first thing you need to do is that particular part you want to use as your design, you can apply shortening inside that place, or you can just sprinkle with corn flour, or you can just sprinkle with icing sugar. So anyone you want to use is fine. So once you are done sprinkling that or applying the shortening, you're going to take your fondant and then push in your fondant into that space or into that design. Make sure that this your fondant enters completely inside the design first, so that the excess will be at the top. Okay, make sure that the fondant takes the design that you want to make completely, push it in very well. Then you're going to use your rolling pin, but before then you may choose to apply some icing sugar or corn flour on the top so it doesn't stick at the top. Then use your rolling pin to push it very well. Don't take it so lightly on it. Just push it very well so that you remove the excesses at the top, and then your design is ready. So you can use it for any design at all that you want to make. Okay, just push it in, then remove the excesses at the top, and then you have your design. So if you want to apply this, just turn it over, then just touch little bit of water on the overside, and then stick it to your cake or to your fondant. Thanks and see